Hello everybody, and welcome once again to Corley's Cajun Kitchen. Today, I'm going to do one for my friend Joe Duhon, who told me his favorite Cajun dish was, well, it was two things now. He liked that chicken fricassee. I'll do that another day. But today we're going to do shrimp Creole, all right? And it takes all these ingredients here. Some like a Louisiana hot sauce, some like Tabasco, some like salted seasoning, some like unsalted. Like this one got a lot of salt. You ever seen this one before? All right, so we're gonna be cooking with wine, and let's get over there. I already got the Trinity going. You know, I don't have to tell you all about the Trinity anymore. You know what that is. Only I'm gonna add a little something special to mine. I'm gonna put a little garlic and jalapeno. All right, let's get started. All righty, y'all, here we go now. We got our Trinity going, which is 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers. I went red and green for color. And I also like that onion, you know, mixed in there heavy with it. And then, of course, we got the celery, about 5 stalks of that. Well, she's been cooking right now for about 7 or 8 minutes. So we go on ahead at this point and put in that there. Ooh, look at that. That's that jalapeno diced, and that's that 5 cloves of garlic. There we go. Let's get it in there. Okay, I'm going to mix that up, get it all dialed in there. Like you said, cook it until your ancestors say that's fine. Okay. Yeah, I like, oh, if you could smell that. I'm going to come over here and put in 2.5 cups of that chicken stock. That there kind of cool it down, kind of bring them flavors all together. We want to bring that there to a nice rapid boil. And then we're going to add our cayenne, our smoked paprika, and definitely some of that Cajun seasoning. Come on. There we go. Just like that. All right. There we go. Let's get that boiling. All right, y'all. All right, as you see, we put in that bay leaf. It's just about to come to a little boil. I put about 5 bay leaves in there. And I told y'all that I went ahead and cook with that wine. So what we do about this point, we get about 1 cup of wine right there. All right, ma'am. That's how you do it. Ooh, I'm getting silly on it, huh? All right, now, as you can see, I got them shrimp going, huh? Look at them. Here we go. You just want to do those about 2 minutes on each side. I got these going here. Okay, they got a little bit more time on them. All right. So you want to get them until they're nice and pink. You know how shrimp go. Come on now. Over here, we got our boil of our base. Come on. I like that, huh? I like that meat. This is the time we're gonna add. You got the Trinity, the big 3. I call these the 3 generals. A little bit of that W sauce, a little of that Tabasco, and just to make my wife upset, make it too hot, I'm gonna put in that Louisiana. All right, now that's going. You want to do that to flavor. Some people like it hot, some not. Now comes our tomatoes. 2 cans of diced petite tomatoes. Yeah, and 1 can of that fire roasted. Oh, that bring a new flavor to it. And 1 can of that hot rotel. Just because I like it that way. All right, let me put that over there. Now, get that all mixed up. All righty. Trying to do this one quick so some of my friends don't get bored watching it. All righty. The smell of that. I like you, me. All right now. All right, look at that shrimp. Look, you put that little glaze, little crust on it, huh? All right, we'll take it from there. Straight from the pan. Right into that sauce, into that base. Ooh, let them shrimp soak it all up. We're gonna add a whole different flavor to this base. Turn off that stove. You don't want to catch it on fire. Oh, hello, country cousin. Get your ass in there too. All righty. Let's see how that do. Ooh, look at them shrimp. I tell you something, when I was a young boy being raised over there in Poor Nature's, I moved from California to Poor Nature's. I didn't know what shrimp was. Then one day my grandpa told me, try this alligator. Hot dog, that's Cajun right there. Alligator. And if you can eat alligator, God, oh Lord. All right, let's see something here. Now we're at the last part. This is where our handful of scallions go in. I want to mix that right in there. Look at that. That makes it nice. All right. While you was away, I added just a little more Cajun seasoning. Don't want to add too much because that seasoning is on that shrimp too. So here we go. Man. Hot cha. All right. Let's give it a little sip. Now I know why that Joe Duhan loved that shrimp Creole. It is something else. And that shrimp will take down that starch and that tomato. Have you ever cooked something right to the T and it don't turn out the way you want? And you got to add a little something? This one missing? A cup of that wine. All right there. Let's get ready to plate this, y'all. Here we go. Shrimp Creole. Look at that. I like lots of shrimp in my meal. Let's go ahead and try that out. You know, I got a fork for my wife, you know. You might want to use a spoon to get every drop. Let's do that here. A little of that rice. Get some of that rice with that shrimp. Really hot, don't it? Huh? Man. Joe Duhan, you were right. Well, that's it for Corley's Cajun Kitchen. I'm gonna go watch me some football now and eat my shrimp Creole right there.